Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. I hope this boxing video will help you. If you are lucky like me and you ordered this fantastic looking and driving e-scooter, you know, this is the left blinker, it works very well. And this is the right blinker, it doesn't work very well. So you see there is a small malfunction. I have to unscrew the handlebar from the handlebar tube, and after that I can remove the handlebar. And yeah, sometimes you have luck and sometimes the world bites you in your ass. That's like it goes. So I put the screws back in the screw bag. This is the screw bag where I have the manual and I have the power cables. And I also give this tool in the bag. So it's finished with the in-packing of the manual, power cables, the screws and the tool for the screws. It has a very high building quality, as you can see here. It has suspension in the back. That works very well. It has suspension on the front. It has big wheels. There are big air wheels, and they are flat safe on the back and on the front. I also like the colors. And I can drive with it in Austria because this scooter is, with this scooter I'm allowed to drive in Austria. Pull the braking lever and you have a mechanical brake on the front wheel and an electronic brake on the back wheel. And this is what I love, because under stress you can not do any harm to yourself and you cannot mix up, you know, what do I have to do? Brake with the mechanical brake or brake with the electronic brake? This is for me too much under stress, because I think probably I have to go to work and I do not want to spend too much time on thinking how to brake this fucking e-scooter. So this is the box for the scooter. I get this in the box, the scooter, a couple of weeks ago, and if you have the box in the direction like I have it now, with the front wheel on the front, the back wheel on the back, and you can read the letters in this way it is now, you are good to go. You just put the scooter, the form pieces in the right order. You can put it in, close it and send it back to the company. So, unfold the handlebar. So this is the handlebar. This is the... Is it correct? Or is it not correct? That's the question. Is it correct or is it not correct? That's the question and the answer. So, it looks like this. I will put the plastic back again. So, man, I'm sweating like a pig. So. And then we have that piece here, looks like that, and it goes in like that. So, as you can see, very good. Then this is the last piece. This is the last piece, it looks like that, you know. And the last piece goes in here. It covers the e-scooter, the handlebar and the handlebar tube on the upper end. So, and here you can put the cables and the manual. I have it here. So, there's also the tool. I'm nearly finished with the opposite of an unboxing video. Ding, 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 ding. Bring the genie back in the box. Bring the genie back in the box. So. Bring the genie back in the box. Bring the genie back in the box. Now I have to do a little workout to bring this heavy big box to the UPS shop and send it back to the company. So, and now it starts all over again. I have to buy a new e-scooter because I was so unlucky with this e-scooter and the company is not able to repair it until now because it's that new. They don't have any spare parts. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to buy a new e-scooter and to have fun to drive to work and back. Please don't forget to put also power tape on the other side of the box because otherwise it will not close properly. So what you also can do is to unlock the lock mechanism of the e-scooter and to deactivate the alarm. Otherwise it will beep and cry until it arrives at Ninebot. Oh man, I'm so fucked up with my English. That was exhausting. Man, I'm so fucked up. Phew. And now I have to carry this big heavy box to the nearest UPS shop. It's like a workout. I also see the positive side of it, man. So, thanks for your time. I hope you have more luck than me. See you later. Or not.